Guys, wow, I really didn't know how to start this video because I'm super stoked but super annoyed at the same time because I had to work really hard to get this feature on Instagram called the swipe up feature. For anyone who knows the swipe up feature, you need 10k followers to get that feature, to be able to get to people to your YouTube channel, to your products, to your website, to your blog, etc. And for anyone who doesn't know what the swipe up feature is, it's a really great way to get people to go and buy products, to get more views on your YouTube channel, etc. You should get the idea. And you need 10k followers to do that. Well guys, I'm happy to share with you today a little hack that anyone can use. Well, I wouldn't really say hack, but a secret part to Instagram that allows you to get something close to that without having 10k followers, without even needing 10 followers on your Instagram account. Are you ready guys? Ready? Because you should be. Okay, welcome back guys. So first of all, I'm going to project my phone screen right here again so you can see exactly what I'm doing. Let me make sure my phone recorder is on. Let's get going. So first of all is we're going to go into Instagram, and I'm just going to prove to you guys this works. First of all, we're going to go into Instagram TV. I'm going to click on my profile, and then I'm going to click on my first video. Boom. So this was made horizontal on purpose so people can just do that. Now what we're going to do is look at the video. We can't see anything. If I swipe down, it disappears. So we'll go back. That's my messages. So we'll go back to IGTV. It doesn't want to work. We'll get there. There we go. Back into the profile, back into the video. Let me just scroll that down. So here's the secret. You click, you see the title, one big secret to get more subscribers in 2019. Let's click on that title. There's a link. There is a link. Let's click on that link, boys and girls. And there is hope. There is something loading. There is my YouTube video. Now, bear in mind, I have more than 10k followers, but I've seen this work on smaller platforms, so don't worry about that. So here's exactly how it works. We're going to go back off, and I'm going to quickly record a 15-second video just for this, so bear with me. Sorry. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Andrew Crossley here. Today I'm sharing with you one secret, one super big secret, something like that. I'm also recording with my camera here for this vlog. But today guys, I want to tell you that you don't need 10k followers to get the swipe up feature or to get anyone to your website or to your links, etc. I'm going to be sharing it in this video here on YouTube. So click on the title here and then you'll be able to see the link there as well. Click on that and you'll be able to see the full video. See you guys on YouTube. Pow! And there we go. So what I'm going to do now is upload that video to Instagram TV. Boom. Let's pop them there. There we go. Now what we want to do is click next. Title. Here we go. No need for 10k followers. Full swipe up feature. And then you put your link in here. I'm just gonna have to do it temporary for now. Andrew Crossley. We'll get there eventually, guys. Post. Let's get that going. Wait for it guys, wait for it. Now bear in mind my link is disabled because I'm revamping my website, but I just want to make sure you guys can see that it actually works once it's done. And there we go, loads up the website as you can see. So there we have it, guys. There is a lovely hack for you guys to use. If you've enjoyed this video, if you want to learn more about Instagram, Facebook, click that subscribe button, like this video, and I shall see you guys next Monday.